ही हॉस्पिटल विजिट केली, पयर मीटिंग झाली माननीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत वांगडा, and he was kind enough to depute Pranab Bhatt, who is the Joint Secretary Finance, and to see that things time does not get wasted by sheer correspondence movement of the file. On the spot decision get what is really required to augment facilities in the hospital, shortage of staff, shortage of technicians, shortage of equipment, as well as medical officers or all related nurses, all those what are required for smooth functioning of the hospital. And if more facilities, I would say, for more amenities in medical terms, upgrading what is already there, like dialysis, increase the number of beds, get a dental chair, so if possible, as well as other things, so which will help to do things here which previously never happened. In the OT also, doctors said what more equipment that will be required, all that will be done. And I think Dr. Sujata Kamath has aptly put forward what she has been repeating to me several times. I am glad that Pranab Bhatt is there who will take care of it. Most important thing what is going to happen, as he has rightly said, within 15 days, I will be happy if it is done in 3 weeks or even 4 weeks. More than 70% of what is committed will be actually seen on the ground. Then further he has asked GSIDC as well as PWD to make an annual maintenance contract so that things don't look shabby. Doing a facility, inaugurating a big thing is very good, but maintaining it is difficult. So that it will happen in due course of time is a very good thing.
The voice for Koi.